Where to host a website for free. Hello guys and welcome back to SM Software. My name is Shaban Muswama. Today you are going to discover top 3 providers where you can host your website for free. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share our video. Let's get started. You want to launch your website? If you are looking to launch a website without spending a dime, you are in the right place. Today I will show you the best platform where you can host your website for free. So you can host any website, HTML, React, Menstack, even a full stack app. All right. So to get started, we want to see some free hosting. So the idea is to, if you can host your website, this could be a blog, portfolio, resume, anything. You can host anything. Um, Include the documentation. So we have, first of all, we have this static. Let's start with the static website. So static website, these are kind of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this you can host this on GitHub. You can host this on GitHub. This is actually free, 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. So this is include, for example, if you have a mobile app and you want to host like privacy policy, the term and condition, all of that, because these are things Google required much. So you can use GitHub to host this, even just your only resume. So you can use you can use a GitHub page. So for GitHub page, if you go to, I can open this, can open the URL. I'm trying to open that. If you try, actually, you can just go and type page.github GitHub, and this will open this one. So this is the one. So you can go here. You can see that even many companies actually use this to host the documentation for some frameworks or etc. So you can go ahead and try this one. So this is the first one. Um, but for GitHub, you can see that you have uh, limitations. So it's only supported for static content, but you get things some free features like free HTTPS, and also custom domain support and the easy integration with the Git. Next one is Netlify. So it's also you can also host the static sites and the Jamstack project. So some features there, we will also have HTTPS, CI and CD from Git. So serverless functions, form handling. For limitations, there is no back end, and there's no back end without serverless setup. So there's no back end there. So you can also check on this one. If you go to Netfly, net can do netfly dot com, which is .com. Yes. Uh, which is here. So no. This is actually we clicked somewhere else. So the best way, what we can do is, yeah. So you can access from here. Actually, the link was already linked there. So you can access this. You can see many companies also use this one. Yeah. Um, Another one we have is Vercel. So Vercel also is good. Vercel Vercel is also good for what for apps like Next.js, React apps. So these are good. This is actually where you can host your uh, this type of apps for free, actually for free. And also there are features. You get CDN, content What is CDN again? Content management network. Yes. Okay, you can get CDN. You can get free CDN, serverless API, Kit integration, preview deployment. So you can also get all of this one. Another one we talk is another one you can talk about is the Cloudflare pages. So Cloudflare pages also offer static Jamstack sites with the global performance needs. We got the CDN also. We got also features with CDN, GitHub integration, Cloudflare, worker support, with job support, cron jobs. We also have a limitation for that for Cloudflare pages, which is Cloudflare pages. We can also search for pages dot cloudflare.com. It's cloudflare.com. Think so, cloudflare.com. So this is the one. You see that we can also go ahead and try this one. Another one. Oh, the CGN actually was is content delivery network. Sorry, too much. All right. Next one is but first of all, for Cloudflare, um, there's no there's no back end. There's no back end. So these are from just idea for static apps, kind of documentation or resume. So let's talk for one you can use for dynamic website. Dynamic websites, so that's include front end and back end. So that we could talk about something like render, which is a render.com. You can go search for render.com. So here you can sign up. I think you can get up to maybe 1 month or 3 months. But the thing is, here you can get free tier, which you can actually can help you set up your website and then have it running online for a couple months, things like that. But here you can host a full stack application. So when I talk about full stack application, that could be Node.js, Python apps, etc. So features, you have a web service, Postgres for the database and Git-based deployment. Okay. Limitation is also free plan. A free plan sleep with the ideal. Another one who got glitch, which is also for Node.js prototyping and small experiments. So this, if you just want to preview your app and test your coding, this is actually from browser. It's usually from collaboration. If you have a project and you want to your team members to preview the project, live preview. These are this we can use glitch. We also have Replit, which is actually the same thing, but this is more for educational apps, educational app and browser based coding. Limitation. You can also see you got limitation here. Another one is search.sh, which is also for simple static site. Uh, so let's talk now for the major cloud providers. So when we talk about major cloud providers, so we have things like Google Cloud Service, GCP. We've got also Amazon Web Service or AWS. We also got Microsoft Azure, and I think these are three, the most one, three. So let's start with the Amazon. For Amazon, you can get free tiers, which you can use I think before it used to be even a year. You can use it for 1 year. Actually, you can get credit to use even 1 year for 1 year. But for now, I think the service is just you can you can host an app using S3, Amplify, Lightsail, EC2, or Lambda. And also we got features which you can get, for example, 5 GB for storage, 750 hours for EC2, and also can use also we got also got idea for this is actually when let's just be clear here a little bit. So this is like you can get full control for the server, like get a free control for the server, especially for this EC2. So that means you can deploy an app like Laravel there. So a full front end and back end, full stack app you can deploy there and get limited time. So 700, you can see 750 hours. For storage also, you can see the limitation of the storage you get there. So you can, if you want to check on that, you can also go to aws.amazon. Don't want to go to login, so it's here. So you can see it's here actually. So sign up for free. You can sign up. So I'm not here to do. I'm not doing anything about this or promoting this. I'm just explaining or helping fellow developers where you can host your website. This could be your resume, portfolio, anything like that. We got Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft also offer Azure also offer service which we can also host static web apps with the app service functions. This we can also get a student plan. Feature you get .NET, Node.js, Python support, and also we got CI and CD. CI and CD for new. If you don't know about that, you can just go to your Google and you find this. It stands for continuously integration, continuously integration or continuously delivery. So you can get these features or serverless for Azure. Um, you can also there is also limitation. You also see we got the limitation there. But for static apps, if you host it in Microsoft, so this can stay for long. You can stay. You don't need to pay anything. This can stay forever there. We also got the Google Cloud Platform (GCP). So GCP you can use like service, which service they offer, like Firebase hosting, Cloud Run, App Engine, Cloud Functions. A feature. mm, you got also free App Engine instance hours. So for GCP, we got also, if you sign up, you can get up to 200 is 200 or $300. So if you type GCP console, you see that you can get 300 $300, but this you can use it for 90 days. So that's 3 months. So after that, you start have to pay. But if you are looking to launch your application, your app, and you can start with this. You can start with the GCP. So sign up and deploy your app, set up the server. eh? So after that, you will start paying something like if you just decide to go go with an instance, like take control of a server and also host your domain. Not host your domain there, but you can just use the name servers and SSL. They also offer free SSL. Google Cloud also offer free SSL, so you can use that. Also got so much load balancers, so you can use these things. So end of month you can pay something like $20 monthly, but for startup you get like $300, which you can use for 90 days, for 3 months. That was it for Google Cloud. But if now you just want to use for total free, so we got these three providers which you can use: GitHub Pages. So this is suitable for your business, for your portfolio and business documentation. If, for example, you have an application and you want to host your documentation site there, so you can go ahead and host your static site there. We got also Netlify, so we can also use this. You can use this for development, static, Jamstack, stuff like that. We also Vercel. Vercel, we can also use it. You can use it, especially if you have you have a React app and Next.js, yes. So this can help you just host your app there for testing for a couple of days or months as you are looking to now launch your app officially. So, but this actually is a good startup. Right. So this was it for three most providers, free hosting providers you can use as a developer, or even just to host your client business for a startup. All right, guys. So my name is Shaban Mswamba. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also like our video. So we will also post another video if you want to know about how to use any of this free hosting. But we are also going to use last time you created actually a video about how to upload a video to GCP, sorry, how to upload your app to GCP, host your app with GCP, with Google Cloud service, which is actually the same thing if you want to use like Amazon or use Microsoft the cloud. But we are going to like deploy our app using deploy an app to GitHub. So we will try GitHub. We can also try cPanel, and also try another one, maybe Microsoft. So to just see how we can host a static app, or how we can deploy your static app, which when I talk about static app, we talk about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thank you again for watching. My name is Shaban Musomba, and see you in the next video.